Okay, this is the Speedflate premium system. You've got all 4 tires connected. I've got the dual ARB compressor mounted behind the seat, as you can see. And we are going to, all of them are at 15.3. So we're going to start the timer, kind of see how this goes. So, all at 15.3, 2. All right. Turn it on. So there we have it, right almost at 5 minutes to get all the tires right at from 15.3 right to pretty much 30. Again, I'm using the Speedflate system, the premium, which does all 4 tires at the same time. Turn that off. Oh, there you go, all the tires, 29.7.